Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can remove Fastboot feature in your Poco C61 smartphone, how to fix. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. If your mobile is done that Fastboot, then you have to simply just click on power button and volume up and down both at the same time. You can see. Then when it is vibrate, you have to just simply release the button. You can see friend, Fastboot is not written here. You have to just simply click on power button to on the smartphone. Like this, and you can see the smartphone is turned on. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.